The interior of the XTS was really driven by an attention to detail, really taking a rich mix of materials and then adding that level of detail to really show the craftsmanship of how those luxury materials come together. We look at a lot of furniture design for inspiration and trend relative to wood, especially relative to color and tone of wood. Are there things like a really high gloss finish versus a very natural finish? We start by looking at very simple swatches of materials, and when we start to find something that we think is going to fit the brand, fit the vehicle, and look good scaled up, we're able to create mock-ups. We have 3 different woods that we're using on this interior, and they are paired with the different interior colors so that we create a persona. We have a sapelli wood which has a very rich grain structure to it, and it has a lot of movement. Just by looking at it, you know that it's genuine.
We did everything we could to make the width and space feel as large as possible. And there's a number of elements that do that, and one is the wood trim that goes across the top of the instrument panel.
To give you that kind of spatial feeling that everything's very open and flowing from one part to the next. Use the palette out of nature when it comes to real wood to find a number of different expressions of that natural material and try and come up with multiple combinations that are going to appeal to different customers.